Stackable washer and dryer shelf modules transform tight laundry closets by turning unused vertical space above stacked units into organized, functional storage. For small homes, focus on custom-fit shelving installed just above the top of the stacked dryer, securing to studs at multiple points and using shallow depths of 8 to 10 inches so airflow and lint clearance are preserved. Use plywood or medium-density fiberboard with edge banding for durability and smooth finish, and seal with water-resistant paint where humidity is present. Add a sliding shelf that pulls out over the machines for folding by mounting full extension drawer slides to the shelf edges and limiting travel to avoid contact with control panels. Keep the slide width slightly narrower than the washer footprint so it clears hoses and vents. Consider an over-the-machine ironing board bracket that folds down and locks into place with spring-loaded supports attached to the same stud bays as the shelf to maintain consistent load paths. Install a hanging garment rack anchored above the dryer using rated toggle anchors if studs are not available, and keep the bar height high enough to allow the dryer door to open fully while providing at least 12 inches of hanging clearance. Use foam laundry baskets stored on wall-mounted brackets or slotted shelves to keep baskets from crushing and to simplify lifting. Choose 2 to 3 lightweight baskets and assign 1 basket per typical load category, so sorting happens at source. Finish with small labeled bins for detergent and accessories placed toward the front of the shelf for easy reach, and route cords and vent hoses to one side using cable clips, so maintenance access is never blocked. Common mistakes include overloading shelves without adequate anchoring, which causes sagging or failure, so always fasten to studs or use high-quality rated anchors and check level and screw tightness after the first few cycles. Another frequent issue is installing shelves too deep, which restricts dryer vents and creates heat accumulation, so limit shelving depth and maintain clearance specified by the appliance manufacturer while leaving a gap behind for airflow. A third problem is obstructing access to controls or lint traps. Position sliding or foldaway elements so they stop short of panels and label operation clearances, and test every stored configuration before finalizing installation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around practical home upgrades like these laundry storage solutions, and we help people find local trades and offers a discussion community where users share installation tips and product experiences. We make it easy for contractors to discover projects and for homeowners to see real-world feedback from others who have done similar small space laundry upgrades.